Welcome to the Pain Free Project's whole body mobility routine. Over the next 5 minutes, I'm going to take you through 8 exercises, doing 5 repetitions of each one. Movement number 1 is the cat-cow. Go into an all-fours position and start by pressing through your spine, rounding, and then reversing that movement and arching your back. 4 more repetitions up and down. As you press up, think about drawing in your abdominals, and as you press down, widen through the shoulder blades and expand through the chest. Last one. And the second exercise from an all-fours position is a side-to-side hip rocks. As you can see in the movement, you are swinging your hips from side to side. Knees are a little bit closer together for this movement. The goal is to open up the outer hips and to improve side bending or opening up the outer lower back as well. Third movement is the hand to heel rocks or hip to heel. And this movement mimics the mechanics of a squat. As you can see in the small video, you're trying to keep your low back in a neutral position. And just one more repetition here. Excellent. From here, go into a high plank position, and we're going to hold this for 20 seconds. This is the one stability-based movement where we're just engaging the core to take us into some bigger movements in the second half of the routine. Draw in the abdominals, press through the shoulders, engage the quad muscles on the front side of the leg. A few more seconds. And then press back into a downward dog, which is a yoga term, but from here we're going to add in some movement. Flossing side to side, meaning bending from your knees and then pressing down into the opposite ankle. Going back and forth. As you press into the left leg, you should feel the back side of the left calf and hamstring receiving a stretch. Go to the end range and then switch. The focus here should be more on knee position versus your low back. From here, you're transitioning down, face down, and you're going to do some back bends or what I call press-up movements. With the press-ups, keep your hips and low back relaxed. Your arms are doing the movement, allowing your spine to extend backwards. Press up as high as you can, and you should not feel your low back working. It's an easy movement, it's a range of motion exercise. Two more motions. We are first going into a pigeon outer hip stretch. This is working on the mobility in the outer hip. And it's okay if you can't go quite as far as me to start off with, and maybe you might go further. Once you're into the position, drop your opposite hip down towards your knee, almost as if you're rocking the hip towards the shoulder. Switch sides, bringing your left leg over in front of the right, and again, curling the right hip down towards the left knee. 3 more presses here. And the final movement is a kneeling low back bend, and this is going to help open up the front side of the hips and activate the glutes. Press the hips forward, almost like if you were rounding your back over a beach ball or just rounding your back as in a high jump position. A few more here, and then we're done. That concludes the 5-minute mobility routine. We will see you on the next one.